right up on top of the water is called an aquarium. They've got a number of theaters and aquariums in there, interactive exhibits to help people learn about the ecosystem of the Great Lakes. The Discovery World is also the summertime docking home of the Dennis Sullivan. That's tall boat you see. An old Great Lakes boat. This boat was built here in Milwaukee about 12 years ago using volunteer labor. More than 1 million work hours went into completing the Sullivan. And you can see she's getting ready to leave on one of her day trips this afternoon. Also, as we turn around here, the starboard side, you can see the north end of the festival grounds. This is officially known as Henry Meyer Festival Park, better known as the Summerfest grounds around here. This is home to Summerfest, of course, the world's largest music festival, as well as Milwaukee's many other summertime festivals. There's land down here as part of that lake, part of that man-made lakefront I mentioned a little earlier. This land has only been out here since about the 1920s. This was originally used as an airport. This is known as Maitland Field. Served Milwaukee from the 20s into the late 50s. In the late 50s, the U.S. Army acquired this land and they installed a Nike missile base out here. Those were anti-aircraft weapons. Those would have been used in the event of a long-range Soviet bomber attack on downtown. The missiles were kept up at the north end of the area. So that missile base was decommissioned in 1968. The missiles were removed at that time. And 2 years later, this area was transformed into the Festival Park.